What's up guys, Jason's here. Do you still remember we had a video talking about Yeastar Cloud PBX? Well, today we're actually going to take you to get deeper into the Yeastar Cloud PBX, show you why it is your easy entry to hosted UCaaS market. First of all, let me ask, still remember YMP? Yes, decentralized platform for service delivery. Right on YMP, we can create a PBX in a minute or within seconds through the web browser. With just a few clicks in the same interface, we can also resize system capacities, including extensions and concurrent costs, to address a broad range of customer needs. Better yet, YMP is not a demanding tool only designed for experienced service providers. To quickly build up a profitable hosted UCaaS service, a flexible deployment plan is at your choice. There is no need for you to prepare any server or get veterans to administer the system. Such a plan enables you to access YMP and start to sell right away. So, for newcomers of hosted UCaaS who would like to enrich their portfolio, it's a fast and easy program with the lowest barrier to entry and the fastest time to market. What's more, after creating PBXs, the configurations on the PBX are also easy to understand and operate. It only takes a few minutes to establish a well-functioning telephone system. Now, let's see how the service delivery and management will be simplified with Yeastar Cloud PBX from the very start. Log into the YMP. Here we are. Let's start creating one PBX and see how long it will take. Say we want to create a PBX with 10 extensions and 10 concurrent calls. Ready? Let's get started. Click on Create and customize the name. Set the capacity of extensions as well as concurrent calls. Then define the URL for the PBX. And also don't forget to bind a contact with this PBX so he will receive notification mails. Fill in the requirement information to create a new contact. That's all. Really easy and efficient, right? As you can see, it only takes a few seconds to create a PBX. And the next step, simply click on that button to activate the PBX. Simultaneously, the contact will receive an activation mail to activate and operate the PBX as the administrator. And guys, we can do way more than that with YMP. Take a look around, you will realize a complete control of our PBX. It's a piece of cake to resize the PBX. Just a work of several clicks. You can also download logs of capacity resizing, as well as the table including all PBX basic information. And one more thing you may care about is the whole system capacity. We've made it clear for you. Up to the top, in system capacity, we can view intuitively the capacity parameter, the number of PBX and extension used and available, and their total capacity. If you have stopped a certain PBX, its extension resources will be recycled and the system capacity will be renewed automatically. So your extension resources will be utilized to the most. As for the maintenance part you care about, the latest firmware of PBX will be detected and downloaded automatically. We can click to upgrade the added PBX. Besides, the backup file of each PBX will be generated every day. We can check it here and restore the file if necessary. In addition to these basic and useful features, value-added features will make your business keep growing. You can customize permissions of upgrade and IAM in links and decide whether to make them available to your end users. What's more, an independent part for reseller management is also available for you. Turn to reseller. We can see the reseller we've created. Create a new one here, or export our information to our computer. Now, we've known how to operate the easy-to-use YMP for business. Let's move on to see how to make the PBX work for an end user. Access the PBX we created. Enter the activation code included in the activation mail to log in. For the first time login, set a new login account for subsequent login. Please note that the Cloud PBX requires a valid email address as the username. After these settings, we'll be logged out of the system automatically, and just log in the system again by new user information. The next step will be system time setting. Go get the settings, select the system, choose date and time. Now, we could select the time zone for a location in this drop-down list, and choose whether to enable daylight saving time here. Click on Save, and just reboot the system. Now, let's go for the system voice prompt. Yeastar Cloud PBX supports voice prompt of multiple languages. Go to Settings, PBX, Voice Prompt, and System Prompt. The system only comes with the English package by default, and we can upload a voice prompt file or just download online prompt. Whichever we take, the language packages will be showing in the prompt list. Just select one as the default prompt for the system. And don't forget to click on Apply. Alright, now we've just done the work for initial settings. Okay, time for creating extensions now. Before we create extensions, we could change the extension range according to the preference here. It's actually required to type in a 4-digit number. Now, go straight to the extension page, click on Add. A window pops out with all parameters generated already. We can keep it like this, or change the extension number, caller ID, and other user information as we want. Here we bind a mailbox with it, so the user will be able to receive a welcome email sent from the PBX. Besides, it's also available for bulk adding extensions here. After that, register SIP terminals to the PBX. Our Linkus Unified Communications app are perfect options for you. Linkus offers full extension features on your PC and your mobile phones. Calls will be routed independent of locations to the device of your choice. Users get not only a host of advanced calling features, but also support for instant messaging and presence. As for Linkus settings on the PBX, it's considerably easier. We simply need to click Welcome Email on the extension settings page and select extensions. Just make sure the selected extensions to which have a mailbox associated. Afterwards, the users will receive mails with Linkus login information. Then install the clients on your smartphone and computer. Register them with the PBX. Please just check out linked videos for more information. If you've got some IP phones, register them to the PBX via auto-provisioning. Check your phone's basic information, including phone manufacturer, MAC address, phone model. Let's take this A-Link phone as an example. Click on Add and enter these parameters. Then, set the phone lines and bind extensions with them. Don't forget to reboot the phones to make the configurations take effect. To make phone calls, we need to add trunks. Yeastar Cloud PBX supports SIP protocol and 3 types of VoIP trunks: register trunk, peer trunk, and account trunk. What we are going to do is to confirm the relevant information with our service provider and select the right type, of course. Click on Save and Apply. A new trunk has been successfully added just now. Okay guys, now we have channels for communication, but it's lack of specific communication rule for the system. Let's check the inbound and outbound roads. To make external calls, there is no doubt we need to configure outbound roads. Go to Call Control, find the outbound roads. Click on Add. Then switch our design trunks to the selected column, and don't forget to select extensions. Click on Save and Apply. Configuring inbound roads to route incoming calls would be in a similar way. Go to Inbound Route and click on Add. Trunks in the selected column can be applied in this route. Remember to set our design destination here. Click on Save and Apply. Okay, there it is. Now we can just smoothly make and receive calls with those IP phones registered. It's pretty easy, right? Alright guys, hope you liked this video and Just sign up and try it. Of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I will see you guys in the next video.